Hi folks, my name is Rick Deagazio and I've been with RCC for 36 years this year in December. As you know, we're a waterproofing company. We do all kind of systems, internals, injections, of course excavations on the outside. We also do structural repair, underpinning, anything to support a foundation, anything to do with a foundation, that's what we do. I handle a lot of different areas. Like I said, I've been with this company 36 years, so I know all Toronto. However, I live in Ancaster, so I take care of Ancaster. I take care of Burlington, I take care of Milton, those are my territories, and I do take care of a section of Toronto. Toronto being the most dense, we all take a section of it. We do, like I said, all different types of waterproofing systems, including injections, of course. As you know, RCC is the biggest and the oldest waterproofing company in Canada, still owned by the same family since 1920, and most of us, the sales and even the workers, have been with the company for many, many years. Most of the crew leaders have been with us for 12 years, 10, 12 years plus. A lot of the sales guys the same, 10, 12 years. Some of them 20, some of them 30 like myself plus. So we got a lot of experience in the company, and I hope that you do give us a call, and I hope you give me a call personally, and we'd love to do the work for you. Thank you.
Wow.